Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. So hope you guys doing well. In a last session I have showed you to how to resync the log shipping very quickly in the last video. Today I'm going to show you the demo actually. So last weekend in the last video I have discussed about a couple of scenarios where we trying to fix the log shipping very quickly. In this session I am going to show you the live demo. So this is my setup log shipping. So we have instance 1 tech01 and tech02, and we have configured the database on a test tech03 on a standby, right? So what we will do, if you see this the log shipping report, it's healthy, no any issue, right? So we'll create the issue and then we'll try to fix. So what was the scenario in the last session? So log shipping breaks at 10 p.m. right? And we have this backup strategy, and we used the differential backups, and then we trying to fix, right? So in this session also we'll try to create the same scenario. So for that, what you need to do, you need to execute the ls backups manually. So I'm trying to take the backups, couple of backups manually with the jobs. So take the backups with the help of sorry, jobs. So here I'm executing the backups, let's say 3 times, right? So 3 times I have executed the backup. If you go to this location, this is my shared location for the transition log backups. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking this away from the shared location. So now there is no backup, right? So now you need to wait it a couple of times. So again what it will do, the ls copy and restore job will try to execute, and they will not get the backups at that location, and then you will start throwing the alert log shipping is not in sync. Then we'll try to execute with the help of then we'll try to fix it through the help of differential backup. Just wait a couple of times. Let me see the history. Just I did it last time, but for you guys I am recreating the scene. Just wait a couple of. Okay, so welcome guys. So now you can see my screen, so log shipping getting failured, and we got the error. If you focus here, I'm highlighting the things, but its message is there, could not find the log backup file. So when restore job is trying to apply the log backup on secondary, but they are not able to find on that particular location, because I have just removed that backups right from there. So now how we'll fix it? So what we'll do, we'll stop all the jobs first, the ls copy. So what we'll do, we'll disable these jobs, and then we'll try to restore with the differential backup. We'll disable these 3 jobs. Okay, now we'll take the differential backup of that particular database. If you come to this document, if you see the backup strategy, we have the full backup, then Monday differential, Monday to Saturday. So we are creating the scene here. So we need to take the backups of differential after the log shipping failure happened. So let's assume log shipping happened. Now the differential backup is executed on a primary database and it succeeded. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the differential backup here. Let me take the differential backup. So we'll take the differential backup manually here of database tech03 differential new dot bak. Okay, so we'll execute the differential backup done. Now what we'll do, we'll take the that particular backup file name, why it's not working. We'll copy this file name and we'll try to restore it with the no recovery option on a secondary instance. If you see here, tech02, right? So we'll try to execute with the differential backup. So backup is done, restoration is done on secondary. So your database should be in a restoring mode. See, in a restoring mode. So what it's happening here, I already explained you yesterday in a last session. The primary data, the full backup base is already there on a secondary database. So taking that base, differential base, and we are applying a differential backup. So differential backup will apply on it. There is no failure. So no need to take the full backup again, reinitialize the log shipping, right? It will restore it based on the differential base LSN, right? Yesterday I have explained. So this is the live demo, how to do that. It will take couple of times and it will come to standby mode. Once it will done with the restoring part. So once it's done, now you have to enable all three jobs in sequential order. ls backup, ls copy, and ls restore. You just enable it. So that was my first scenario yesterday. Restore with this job, with the help of this command, and enable all those three jobs. It will definitely work. So I would suggest now you guys create a scenario 2 and do the testing. Do with this approach, and see whether you are able to apply the differential or not. Create the same backup strategy and try with that. Here, why we are able to apply differential, I already told you, because the base differential LSN is already there. So that's the reason we are able to apply the differential backups. So we no need to here reapply the log backups, the full backup again, and reinitialize the log shipping. So this is something helpful for you guys. I will see it will take some times. In the next slot it will execute, right? Wait for a moment, I will show you the status. So here guys, if you see here now, so earlier we got it error. Let me maximize the thing. So we got it error here. Differential was we are not able to find the log backups, right? So now if you see here, my log shipping in a sync, right? We are able to apply now after applying the differential. There is no failure at all. If you refresh the dashboard also, let me refresh the data. It will take some time. Yeah, it will take some time. So I'm closing this session now. You guys try with the second approach and create a live demo, live scenario, and do the testing. Okay, so hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. I will come with another video with another topic.